Charmaine and I set the workshop up because we were looking to work in the local community and give people a chance to start their own company. People that weren't quite confident enough to do it themselves and needed a sort of helping hand. So that's what we started it off for, really. Give people a chance to expand and make something of what they wanted to do, their dream.
Big workshops are actually part of our big dream as well, to actually help people as entrepreneurs ourselves, starting small businesses. We knew that there were certain things that we would have liked to have known and that would have helped us, but also the well-being aspect, because as an entrepreneur you've only got one body to carry you through, and to achieve your goals and looking after yourself has to be a priority. People that are long-term unemployed have skills, and showing them that they can put their skills to use instead of just waiting for a job. Try and use your skills to actually help yourself in the meantime or find a new path in life.